Hey guys, what is up? Another video today, which y'all probably asking why I haven't made one in a long time. That's just because I haven't been able to for a long time. So yeah guys, look in here. You wanna know what that is? It's called oobleck. You make it with cornstarch and water, and I'll let y'all see this. So y'all see it? Like, look, if you put your hand in there, it slowly goes in there. But watch this. See how it didn't do nothing? It just barely went in there. And you can also, you probably should do this outside because look at my hands, guys. And the table is a mess. And it wasn't just me who did this. My mom, shout out to her. I'll put a picture up like right here maybe. Yeah, today we're just gonna probably watch some TV, and y'all just put down in the comment if you've ever made anything before. And this video should, I'm not being positive because I have to edit the video. This video may come out before October. But if it doesn't, sorry guys, it takes me maybe a couple of hours to edit the video. But I'm probably going to be watching TV and editing the video because this video may take a little bit. But I'm going to make a short video today because me and my mom are about to go watch TV. And put down in the comments what's your favorite color, or just put something random. I want to see how many likes we can get on this video. Let's go for 100,000. We got almost like 200,000 the last time I made a video. So let's go for 250,000. And if y'all can hit that, I will probably give the top comment a shout out. So just put anything, and I'll just give y'all a shout out. If I get my PlayStation back, I'll let y'all get into my game. We can play some solos or something, or duos, whatever y'all want to do. Well, that's gonna be it for this video. I'll put my name, my Fortnite name, down in the description. So yeah, that's just gonna be it for today, guys. And I'll put some extra clips in there about like, I don't know, I'll just put some extra clips in there. So yeah, guys, that will be it for today. And bye, guys. Bye, guys.